When we finished the Accelerator a year ago, we had 1,600 female entrepreneurs. We had about reaching almost 1 million customers. And now we have 3,000 female entrepreneurs and we reach 1.5 million customers in 12 different regions. So we've almost doubled in size since we finished the Accelerator. So I think we took the learnings and practiced them pretty well.
I think the most significant thing that has happened to the organization has been a shift in the mindset. So still retained empathy that is necessary for the kind of work that we do, but we're a bit more business minded. And that has resulted in us doubling our sales this past year.
The Lala product, which was born out of Acumen program, has enabled the company to earn additional revenue, which is expected to continue growing the revenue base. We have been able to experience increased demand and the willingness of the community and other stakeholders to partner with us in the fight against extreme poverty.
The work that we do, of course, is a work of struggle. Embracing that struggle and what makes it beautiful is being able to be part of the journey of the improvement of the lives and livelihoods of our community.
I've been able to learn how really corporates think and their approach to business models.
My approach to how to market and sell our products has greatly changed.
As a professional marketer, I've learned to be more expansive.
The biggest lesson that I've learned is about making myself being a better leader. IKEA has brought the best coaches that we have.
And we felt that there was a real support, a real understanding of what is behind and what is also coming with our work.
You gain confidence. You gain confidence in yourself.
The biggest value we get is these entrepreneurs we get to meet. Meeting founders who are running businesses, creating an impact, social businesses, and they want to scale. That's a part you will not want to miss.
Now we have our community.
The way you selected us, somehow you're able to bring a lot of brilliant minds in the East African region together to have really transformation change. I remember there was a session whereby we were listening into last year's cohort. I was amazed by their professional charisma. So after this fellowship, this is how good someone can become.
It can be very lonely and sometimes can be very discouraging if you're trying to fight a battle that you feel you're doing it alone. Opportunities like this that continue to broaden that network and even deepen that network are very, very helpful. That network continues to be alive for us, and we are conscious of that as a resource as we continue to move forward that we can tap into.
It's impossible not to feel special for being a part of something like IKEA Acumen. And after you finish with that program, it's almost like you have a responsibility to take those learnings because you were special enough to get selected. So you just have this responsibility to carry through those learnings to impact your beneficiaries.
One of the things that helps for me is to really look at the bottom line as the people we are serving and the challenge we are trying to solve. And as long as that challenge is not solved, there's every reason to remain in the fight.